Hi, second grade. This is Mrs. Horan again. For those of you who have the paper packets that you're working on at home, I wanted to go through the instructions for the week of May 4th. So once again, your second grade teachers all got together and decided to make your life a little easier. So there are 3 days worth of humanities or reading lessons. I want you to take the 3 days. Take day 1 and take day 3 and put it to the side. You can put it over in the recycling, okay? If you have time, you can go try those later, but we want you to focus on day 2. So you're going to pull day 2 lesson, and it looks like this. It has a lesson summary and lesson target. You can take that page and put it to the side. Then there's another whole page of directions. You can set that aside. I want you to go to this page. It has these 2 pictures of 2 vocabulary words. One is habit, one is recycle. So you're going to read a little bit about habit, and then you're going to write your own definition for that word, and the same for recycle. Then you're going to go to the article and read the article about earth helpers. So it's a very interesting little article. It's pretty short, but it's interesting. I think you'll be able to learn some things from that. Then that's all for the first day. You go back on the second day and you read the article again, and then you're going to go to the questions, which is on this page. So you're going to make sure you have the article right there, so you can go back and make sure you're getting the evidence from the text and write really good responses to this. You want to make sure that you're using part of the question in your answer. For example, this first one says, what does Earth Day remind people to do? So your answer should say something like, Earth Day reminds people to, and then finish the sentence. Okay, so that's what you do for day 2. Then day 3, you're going to go back to that same article and you're going to read about earth helpers again. Then you're going to come down into this second part of this page. This first part, you can just put an X through that. You don't need to do this part. You're going to go down here to the bottom and you're going to go back to the article. You can highlight the parts of the article where the author gives examples of how to take care of the earth. And then I want you to then write those examples here on these lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's what we'd like for you to focus on this week for reading and humanities as you're at home with your paper packets. If you have time, you can go back and look at the articles and try some of the other work. But if you do this, make sure you take a picture of your response and send it to your teacher. Okay, we miss you. I hope you're doing well at home. Remember to read and write every day.